Hello, welcome everyone who's watching Let's Go Keely Travel. This time, I wanted to share a hotel located in the Gold Coast, The Star. This hotel was constructed in 1986 as the Conrad Jupiter, and only 2 years ago has the name changed to The Star Gold Coast. This is a two-stage building, one called The Star and the other The Darling. Comparing the two stages, The Darling gives off a more luxurious feel. According to the official website, the cheapest room is around $1,200 Australian per night. We booked a room in The Star which cost us $298 Australian, which includes breakfast buffet for 2 people. The hotel has a fair distance to the famous Surfers Paradise, but is close to a major shopping mall. This is the second time we lived in this hotel, and both times we felt the hotel is very comfortable and hygienic. Compared to other hotel rooms in the Gold Coast, the Star's rooms are bigger. Not including the apartment-style hotels, the facilities here include unlimited Wi-Fi, swimming pool, a spa which costs extra money, restaurants, and a casino. Alright, let me give you guys a room tour. This hotel has 21 levels, and we're living in room 25 on level 18. After opening the door, you can see the entire room. We had to open the lights since the room was a bit dim. There are 2 panels next to the bedsides. These panels are to control the room's lights and curtains. Next to these panels is a USB and a power point. There are a few more below the television, but since we're so lazy, of course we will use the ones next to our beds. There are 2 sofas and a coffee table next to the beds. There's a cupboard next to the front door. First is the fridge, which has the usual beer and cola, but what surprised us was a one low cut. In the next 3 sections, there are some tea, coffee capsules, peanuts, and a water boiler. Even though everyone knows about these items, I would like to remind everyone that these things cost money, so please check before consumption. Inside the cupboard is a security box, robe, a clothes iron, and slippers. Not every hotel provides slippers, so I would like to praise them for that. Next, let's take a look at the bathroom. The first impression is, the light's a bit too strong, and we really like the design of the sink. There are 2 taps which is quite rare. Only hotels at a certain level can have this. We checked in near the night, so this is the view in the following morning. Also, the majority of Australian hotels do not provide toothbrush, so any friends who want to come might want to bring their own. After checking the room, it's already past 7 PM. We are feeling a bit hungry, so let's get back to the first level to eat dinner. The first level has a massive casino, 3 restaurants, 1 cafe, and a bar. We chose a Chinese restaurant called Mei Wei Dumplings, and we're eager to see how delicious this restaurant is. We ordered Sichuan Tantan noodles, braised beef noodles, char siu, and ginger yuzu honey. Except the char siu, all the foods we ordered exceeded our expectations. There was a large portion of char siu, but the char siu themselves did not have enough fat to them. We didn't want to eat more after a few pieces. The braised beef noodles actually have 5-6 pieces of beef. The beef broth has a concentrated taste, but has quite a bit of MSG. The tantan noodles had quite a few peanut crumbs, chopped spring onion, and coriander, which all gave a delicious smell to the noodle. We felt they could increase the spiciness just a little, because the noodles gave off a sweet taste. What we'd like to emphasize is the ginger yuzu honey. At first we didn't think this combination was going to work out, but once we've tasted it, there was a soothing sensation in our throats. At the bottom of the drink, there are mango pearls and made the drink quite interesting. Unfortunately, the drink was a bit small. Compared to other hotel restaurants, the cost of eating in this restaurant is quite cheap, but the portion is also small. While walking past Mei Wei Dumplings, you will find a buffet restaurant called Harvest Buffet. We had both the breakfast and dinner buffet. We think it was quite worth it. Since I don't want to make this clip too long, I will share my experience of the buffet in the next video. If you don't want to miss out any videos from us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Facebook page, Instagram and YouTube channel. If there are any videos that you guys want to watch, please leave a comment below. Let's go travel again next Wednesday.